In this question, we're told that a histogram was drawn to show the distribution of ages in completed years of the participants on an outward bound course. There were 32 people aged 30 to 34 on the course. The height of the rectangle representing this group was 19.2 and it was 1 centimeter wide. As soon as we get this sort of information around a histogram bar, we want to get a diagram and start to think of some of the scale factors in between the class width and the drawn width, in between the frequency density and the drawn height. Okay, so 29.5 to 34.5 is a class width of 5, but we were told it was drawn 1 centimeter wide. That has a scale factor of 5. We divide the class width by 5, that's how we get our answer. The frequency density. To find frequency density, we'll take the frequency of 32 people and divide by the class width. That gets us 6.4. But the drawn height that we were told is 19.2. To get from 6.4 to 19.2, the scale factor is to multiply by 3. These two scale factors are going to be important. We're going to continue to use them for the rest of the question. Carrying on, we were told that there are 28 people aged 35 to 39. And we've been asked to find the height of the rectangle representing this group. Okay, let's get a quick diagram. 35 to 39, that is a class width of 5 again. So I can already see that the width here is going to be 1 centimeter when we apply the scale factor. The question isn't actually giving us any marks here, and that's likely because there wasn't much to do. It was exactly the same class width, so we knew it was going to be exactly the same drawn width. The marks come from calculating the height. Frequency density is going to take the frequency of 28 and divide it by 5. There we get 5.6. Applying our scale factor, the drawn height is 16.8 centimeters. And that's what we're looking for in the question, the drawn height of 16.8. In part B, we're given that the height of the rectangle representing 40 to 59 was 2.7. Now we're asked to find the number of people on the course in this age group. Let's start with the diagram again. So we are going to have to be working backwards, but 40 to 59, the class boundaries are 39.5 to 59.5. Class width of 20, we divide that by 5 to get a width of 4 centimeters. We're actually given the height, so let's fill in the height first. That's 2.7 centimeters. And we know that we would have multiplied by 3 to get here, so we should be dividing by 3 to find out a frequency density. The calculation for frequency density is going to be the unknown frequency divided by the class width. So x over 20, and that should be 0.9. 2.7 divided by 3, 0.9. And here we have a simple equation to solve. X must be 18. So the age group 40 to 59 has a frequency of 18.